Yeah, so when it comes to internal alignment, unclear roles and requirements for jobs can really limit or sort of inappropriately or ineffectively have impacts on your candidate pool. For example, we previously were much more focused on regions or locations where our candidates were applying from. But with COVID, of course, region and location doesn't really matter. As long as you can work in a certain time zone, you're really all good to go. So we've really focused on getting internal alignment and understanding what's truly required from a location, experience, background perspective in order to get the right candidates for a particular job. The next piece here is having your hiring plan in place. Things get slowed down when you don't have a clear hiring plan or process put together. I've run into a few cases where we've rushed and scrambled, I'll admit, to make sure that we had the right people interviewing the candidate, especially for cross-functional roles. It's really important to be timely and efficient about making sure you have the right interviewers in that interview process to be able to speak to and weigh in on what a candidate's going to need to do later on if they come on into the job. And then the last piece here is poor communication. So this feeds into the other two, but ultimately, if we're not able to communicate effectively and quickly as a hiring team and with our larger team, people oftentimes aren't going to know that jobs are opening or what the requirements are for those jobs. And that can, again, also limit the candidate pool that we might be able to get internally.
That's right, and so that leads us into our first automation, and really related to your last point about poor communication. We've seen a lot of customers use Workbot to link Greenhouse, their ATS tool, to Slack to increase alignment. And what this automation can do is that whenever a new job is created in your ATS, in our case Greenhouse, Workbot will post an alert in the new jobs channel in Slack, which is one that we have, and I'll actually show you this, what it looks like. And anyone in the organization can submit referrals to the job posting, and the referral is automatically added to Greenhouse at that point. So what does this look like? This is an example of one of the job postings in this group, in the new jobs group, and you can see that we have this HR bot, and it's posting a job for the senior financial analyst. It includes a link directly to the job posting, so if I'm curious, I can go and check it out on Workato. And it has the details that I really need. Where it is, the department, it includes the hiring manager, but we've closed this out because this is actually a real job posting, right, Jesselyn?
Yeah, if anyone on the line is interested in a senior financial analyst role, this is a shameless advertisement out here to make sure that we get some good candidates for this one.
Right, so go check that out if you can. And this is a GIF that actually shows what it looks like in our internal Slack organization. By posting it in Slack with this workflow, we've made it super easy to learn about any new job opportunities that open up. And luckily, we are in a position to be continuing to hire. So this is actually recent job postings. But notice how easy it is for me to review the latest openings, and I can also get alerts whenever a new posting happens, so I can go check it out right away. And Jesselyn, since we've launched the channel, have we seen any increase in referrals?
Yeah, we've actually had both an increase in the number of referrals, but also in terms of the quality of those referrals. We know that it is especially helpful when we have people internally who already know about us, the work that we do, and what helps people succeed at Workato. If those people can really be out there essentially as an extension of our recruiting team, then that being able to make those referrals is really helpful so that we can not only get a quantity of referrals, but also, again, really the quality to make sure that we're getting referrals that are a good fit.
Right, and if you get really quality referrals, like it just makes the whole process a lot faster.